Welcome to Traders Cafe. Today we're mastering the art of breakout trading, one of the most powerful strategies for capturing big market moves. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot, enter, and manage breakouts like a pro. First, what is a breakout? Simply put, it's when price moves beyond a well-established support or resistance level with conviction. Think of it like a dam bursting. Once it breaks, water rushes through. In markets, that momentum can lead to rapid gains. Why do breakouts work? They signal a shift in supply and demand. When buyers overwhelm sellers at resistance, price surges. Conversely, sellers dumping at support can trigger sharp declines. We trade these shifts to ride new trends. Step 1. Identify key levels. Draw horizontal lines at recent swing highs and lows on your chart. These are your support and resistance zones. A good way to automate this and remove subjectivity is to apply pivot high indicator. A pivot high indicator checks each bar for a number of lower highs on either side of it. So if you have selected 2 bars, that would mean that a pivot high to form, it needs 2 lower highs on either side of it. Step 2. Confirm with volume. A valid breakout comes with above average volume. If price pokes through on low volume, beware, it could be a false breakout. Step 3. Entry triggers. Wait for a candle close beyond the level. Some traders enter immediately, others wait for a retest. Your choice depends on risk tolerance. Step 4. Manage risk. Place your stop loss just inside the broken level, below resistance for longs, above support for shorts. Keep your risk per trade to 1 to 2% of your capital. Common pitfalls, false breakouts. When price snaps back below the level, you're stopped out. Mitigate this by using confirmation filters, like a moving average or RSI filter, to avoid choppy ranges. Let's look at a real example. Here's Nifty 50 breaking above a tight range on 20-day average volume. We enter on the close, set our stop just below, and ride a 3% move before booking profits. To recap, draw your levels, confirm with volume, wait for a clean close, manage risk, and watch out for traps. Practice these steps until they become second nature. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Traders Cafe, and ring the bell for more trading strategies. Comment below your favorite breakout setup. Until next time, ride the trend and protect your capital. Check out my recent video on risk reward to understand how good risk management can beat strategy.